All right, here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Dipped, went lower, made a new low, erased all of December and January at one point, then came back. And at the end of the day, we were up for the day. We after gapping down and filling the gap. Let's look at the major indices and see what we got. Crude oil up 46 cents. Oh, sorry. I've got the intraday charts. Crude oil up 46 cents, but there's a 13 sell signal. Gold down a buckle, 10, 13 sell signal there as well. S&P gains 46. But again, like I said, is much lower. Like basically erased all of December and January in a couple of days and then came back. NASDAQ 100 up 170. SOX up 45. Biotech's up 67.17. The VIX down 734. And again, this was after the VIX. This is the actual VIX crosses 40, which is always usually the bottom. Yeah, it's usually the bottom of the market. But it's still, we'll see what happens. The trend at 0.61. 10-day moving average at 1.17. NASDAQ volume 3.1 billion shares. That's higher than even on Monday. Advanced decline ratio negative 263 on the NASDAQ. Okay. On the New York plus 1296. Google gains $22.04. Apple gains $6.54. But it's both of these stocks are down for the month. Amazon up 52.84. Still under the 13 sell signal because it sold off so sharply the prior 2 days. Netflix 11.46 of a gain. Tesla up 84 cents, which is a blip. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, negative 74.5 cents. Goldman Sachs gains 9.54. By the way, this thing was up, down. And this is the thing. Everything's so thin right now. The volatility is crazy. You got to be really, 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 really careful. You can get squashed if you're not careful with all this stuff. All right. So let's take a look at the intraday action. Let's look at the ES front month futures contract. Again, gap. So there's Monday, the bad day down. Then Tuesday, the gap down, recovered, filled the gap, and then went lower, higher, and then closed higher, even though the market on close orders were negative. Here's the NASDAQ side, same story. All right. So what does that mean for the week ahead? So we've got on Wednesday, we've got the crude oil inventories an hour into the market. We've got the 10-year bond auction at 1. We've got the consumer credit number at 3. And that's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading week.